the Gaming here, back with another video. And you obviously remember we were messing with some. Oh yeah, I remember that stuff. Alright, blew up. Yeah, we're gonna restart the world. But anyways, I have a brand new thing planned for this video, and it's destroying stuff. Obviously, this is what the game's for. It's called teardown. You're supposed to tear down everything, but you're a demolition team, and you gotta fucking blow up stuff. Okay, yeah, that's the whole point of the game. But also, you can go into sandbox mode after you completed the game, or you can go anytime, but it's better to do it after you completed the game because it's just no fun. And we're gonna be blowing up and like tearing down some of this stuff over there. Like we might do this building right here, like this one, but we're probably gonna do this one right here. And the reason why you can't hear any sound, I checked back the last video, is because like I can hear sound, but when I turn it up, oh. Flip. That's not good. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. Okay, I am back. Let's flip and go. It took like an hour, but for you guys, it took nothing, basically. Just nothing. But we're back on the game. Let's flip and go. Okay, so we're going to be blowing up this thing. So we have this thing. Okay, you know what? You got to flip and move. You got to move. No. Move. Yeah, you go over here. Nope. Stop it. Yeah, get in there. Okay, so let's go to. We have like nitro glittering. Like I don't even know how that's how you say it, but it's basically fluid for a bomb. So we're gonna place one in every side. You ready, guys? Let's go here. Okay. Here we go. All right, I was gonna flip and go down. Oh! Look at that. That's going down. It's going timber. Oh, no. Boom. Let's go. This is going to be a mission in the game. Okay, I actually think it is, but go down here. Actually, no, you have to destroy these things. Watch this. I'm flying and rocket launching these things here. Okay, so let's fly up. Boom. That should hit. Yep. I guessed, but okay. Okay, that should hit that one. Okay, nice. That was actually perfect shots. Wow. Here's a scientific fact. That would have broke somebody's leg and killed them. But this game, actually, that's a little gruesome. Let's just say it would send them to the hospital and they wouldn't come back. Anyways, I don't get the health in this game. Like, even, like, I have it on, like, max or whatever. Like, it's basically 2 times better or, like, 2 times more. But flip, man. It doesn't make sense. Let's blow this stuff up. Oh, that's not going to end good. But if you want to see that stuff. Oh, it's going to hit the tree. Oh, hit the tree. Oh, come on. Oh, okay. It's done. We can hit that now. Watch this. Boom. Flip and go down. Yeah. Okay, so now here is the boss fight now. That was just easy. Oh, let's see if I can hit this. If I can hit this, you people are going to hit 2 likes on this video. I haven't really even set like goals. I just kind of go for it. Wow, that just went right through it. Oh, you faker. Okay. No way. If that hits. Okay, good. I didn't hit anything. It just went through. Okay. So we're going to be blowing up this stuff. This. Okay, you know what? Yeah. Breaking through, boy. This is an insanely hard thing to flip and blow up. I think if we just, like, spam this stuff. I have unlimited, by the way. Oh, my God. I think I just have to do it individually. Here we go. Just place it everywhere. I can't spam it sometimes. It just won't let me now. I don't know why. Maybe it just knows. Okay, boom. One here. Yeah, so we're gonna get away from this thing because this I know can destroy me. So let's use just one of every explosive to do this. Oh God. Did I do it? Oh, look at all this smoke. It actually did not blow. Watch this. It's gonna be like flipping. Okay, let's use a shotgun here. Let's just use every weapon. Let's use the flipping gun. Okay, that does nothing. It made a hole. We want to blow up this or destroy this, because even this can flipping hold up this piece of stuff. We come down here. Yep. See, look at this. This is so unrealistic. What is that? This would look at this. It's not this bit. It's this. Oh, flip. Oh, that's not good. Oh, you're lying. Look at this. It's connected to that. Or how? Oh, that's done. That's done. How is this not dead? How? Okay, now it's gone. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, it's coming down. Oh, you did not. Oh, it's coming down on me. Woo! Oh, it went down. Let's go. Woo, 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 woo. Let's go. Okay, so now I might have another idea. I don't know, because that's all I really wanted to do. But let's blow up this thing. We just load it with stuff, and I send a rocket from the other side of the map and see how good my targeting skill. We're not talking about how good I am. And just hope that I can hit the thing. I just restarted the whole map. I don't really care. But we can see if we can hit it and see if it goes up and it completely explodes and pieces go all over the map. And then that will be the end of the video. And then I gotta think again what I'm gonna do for the next video, because I just made this on site. I thought of the idea when I made the video. So let's just do this. So then, yeah, see, now I can spam it whenever I'm walking. You're lying. Stop. Stop it. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Okay, that should be good. Okay. Yeah, okay, this is gonna lag my game like nothing before. Alright, we just shotgun this out. Oh, yeah! It's still flying. Stuff is flying. Oh, it's gone. Oh my god. Oh, the whole building is gone. There's things scattered, because those nitro glittering bombs, they can't move. So some of the pieces. Oh my god, it's gone. That is brutal. Oh my god, we're gonna do that again. And yeah, I'm gonna. Oh flip. Okay. I'm not gonna flip and cut the video. You can just actually no, I'm gonna cut the video 1 second. Yeah, I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna go over here, and you're gonna wait. So there you go, guys. I'm done doing that. You kind of just saw a little cut there. Oh yeah, you can already tell. Oh, if I make it nighttime, you'll just see the glow from the things, because it gives off a slight glow. So we're gonna be flipping zooming across this whole map. Yep. Yep. Just like that, we're here. Oh my god. So we're gonna set it to night. Oh my god. Actually, no, you can't really. Oh, you can definitely see it. Okay, let me just turn up Okay, I don't usually do this. Let's go to options. Let's just turn it up to maximum so you can actually see it over there, and you'll see what I mean by the lag. It's oh my god, we gotta do this all again because oh my god. Okay, there we go. So you can tell the game looks much better, but you can already see how you see that's not what you want. Actually, it's not that bad, kind of. Okay, it still sucks. But you can just barely see over there the glow of the things. So we're gonna. Oh God, this is what I had to deal with when I didn't know how to change the setting. Just low, please, just low. And it's gonna get faster and faster, and it's back to normal. Yeah, see, now it's back to normal, and you can still see the same stuff. Okay, so let's. Here's the rocket launcher. Actually, I might just get closer, just because I don't want to waste my time. See, that's not even gonna hit, because I would have to do this and keep flying over there to see if I hit and get close. Oh, that's gonna hit. That's it. That's it. And that's hitting. That's it. Oh, it's going in. Oh, it's going in. Oh, oh my! Look at the pieces flying. Oh my! Wow! Look at the pieces are still flying. And that's what happened when you saw some of the pieces going over here. Watch, there's still gonna be big pieces coming down. Okay, no, okay. But that's what you call something. What's over here? This. I hit this in the last video. I forgot what this is. What's up open? Ugh. Oh, okay, it's a little thing, light thing. 10. Oh, that's gone. Oh yeah, I feel like I leveled this shotgun, so now it has like maximum everything. So, oh. What are we gonna do now? I forgot.